Stop. Still have all that. That's a big. Got new pillows. A new mudroom. New walls. Little arrangement of vases on the top. Blue curtains that I bought that were too long. The laundry area / tribute to John's Marilyn Monroe fetish. No, it's not a fetish. Isn't that a cute picture? And we got a plant for the back. What you call it? Rugs? That's not much. Then we come to this room that I painted yesterday. I painted it. And it's all freshly painted. Oh, I want to put we need curtains though. We still got to do curtains. Oh, and I also got some new pillows. Aren't those pretty? New pillows. John's Botanical Garden. So, all clean. Note the broom I added. Cool. I put that up on myself, all by myself, as I painted, all by myself. Can't even tell. Well, if you didn't know what it looked like before, you can't truly appreciate what it looks like now. My refrigerator with my children. Hey. There we go. My children. And all assorted things. Anyways, so I was proud of putting my broom up there. Only one nail. Of course, don't have any curtains, but we're working on that. I want something different than what was up there, and I just can't find them. But I've only been to one store.